Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to use the error correction key or the minus key. I'm already in register mode and I'm ready to ring up the sale. Here's a quick tip. When you're ringing up items, make sure you only use the black number keys. The white keys with the numbers on there is the department key section. Again, I have a future video for that. The two main reasons you may need to use the error correction key would be you type in the wrong price by mistake, or you need to take an item off the list. I'm going to show you the scenario where you typed in the wrong price. Customer has 3 items to purchase. First item, $145. Second item, $588. Now on this item you realize, oh, I typed in $588 but I meant $578. So what you do is you hit the error correction key, which is the minus button here, the fourth one on the top row. If you notice, it put a subtraction sign in front of the 588. This lets you know that it's going to take it off the list, and that's fine. So what you do next is you're going to type the correct price that you meant to type, and that is $578, and you hit the department key. And the last item was $3. At this point you're going to hit subtotal, and your total is $11.15. The customer gives you exactly $11.15, so you're going to type in $11.15 and hit the CA button. At this point you're back to zero. There's no change. You get your receipt, you give your receipt to the customer, and I'm going to show you right here how the receipt looks. You press clear, you're back to zero, and you're ready for the next customer. Second scenario, the customer is purchasing 3 items and wants to take the second item off the list. Remember, the item that we can apply the error correction to will have to be the last item on the list. If you end up ringing up another item, you will end up having to do an item refund. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to do this scenario. The first item is $5. Second item cost $365. Now this is the item that the customer wants to remove off the list. So what you would do is you would hit the error correction key or the minus key, and if you notice, it takes it off the list. There's a negative or a minus $365. You would then continue with the sale and type in the last item, which is $475, and you would hit subtotal. At this point you tell the customer how much it is, which is $10.63. The customer then hands you $11 even. You type in 11 and you hit subtotal. You hit cash out, which it shows you that you owe the customer 37 cents change. I'm going to show you how the receipt should look right here. After you've tendered the change, you press clear, which brings everything back to zero, and now you're ready for the next customer.